Hello, welcome once again to Esomnofu CHIDIEBUBE online lecture. The topic of today is fractions and types. The tutor is your friend Esomnofu CHIDIEBUBE. Listen and enjoy with me. Okay, what is a fraction? When the word fraction is mentioned, what comes to your mind? What do you think this fraction is all about? Okay, a fraction is just a part of a whole. Anything that is no longer complete is not a fraction. All right? So a fraction is just a part of a whole. If your school fees is 10,000 naira and you go and pay 5,000 naira, you've just paid a fraction of your school fees because you did not complete the payment. So a part of a whole gives us what we call a fraction. Also, let it be known to you that a fraction has both a numerator and a denominator. The number on top is the numerator, while the one below is the denominator. So let us see some of the examples of a fraction. Okay, you can see 1 over 2. The 1 is the numerator, while 2 is the denominator. 3 over 4, 5 over 4, 8 over 3. So those numbers on top are the numerator, while the one below is the denominator. Okay, take a look at this slide and the pictures displayed there. You can see an orange being cut into 4 pieces. You observe that the orange is no longer complete because it has been split into so many parts. Right, so that's 1 over 4. 1 out of 4 parts. That's how fractions are being obtained. You can see the cake beside or the snacks being cut into several parts. When you bring out just one part, you see it's 1 out of 4. You can see 1 over 3, 1 over 2, which is half, etc. So a fraction is just a part of a whole. Anything that is not complete gives us a fraction. Okay, see more examples of fraction. You have your 1 over 2, the circle is being cut into 2 parts. So we have 1 part out of 2 is shaded. The next one part out of 4 parts is shaded. Here, 1 part out of 3 parts is shaded. And the last one, you see that 3 parts out of 4 parts are shaded. That is fraction. It is not complete. But if I shade the whole circle, the 4th part, I'll have 4 parts out of 4 parts, which gives me 1. Therefore, when anything becomes incomplete, we target a fraction. All right, let's continue. Take a look at this slide here. It tries to discuss the types of fractions we have. So having known that fractions are part of a whole, what are then the types of fractions we have? Now let's take a look at number 1. Number 1 is the proper fraction. Number 2 is the improper fraction. And number 3 is the mixed number, though sometimes we call it mixed fractions. Okay, so there are 3 types of fractions. 1, the proper, 2, the improper, and 3, the mixed number. Okay, look at this man comfortably carrying this little baby. You will see that it is very easy for this man to carry this baby without stress. So it is good, it is okay, it is worthwhile, it is proper. Anything that is good is proper. So therefore, you see that it is wise for a bigger person to carry a smaller person, not the other way around. So a proper fraction has the denominator greater than the numerator. From this picture, this man is just the denominator, while the baby is the numerator. You observe that the man is greater than the baby, which is the numerator. So such fractions are called proper fractions. All right? The word proper means something that is good. So it is okay, It is good that an adult carries a baby and not the other way around. That is where this meaning of proper fraction is coined or was coined. So a proper fraction has the number on top smaller, while the number down bigger. That enables the bigger person to carry the smaller person. Okay, some examples of proper fractions. You can see 3 over 5. Of course, 5 is bigger than 3. 5 persons can carry 3 persons. 1 over 2, 1 over 4, etc. You can see 7 over 10. 10 persons comfortably can carry 7 persons. That makes it proper, or the more it is worthwhile. So more examples on proper fraction. You can see that 1 is less than 2, 2 is less than 3, 4 is less than 7, etc. The number on top will always be less than number below, for the number below to be able to carry it. So it is proper that bigger persons carry smaller persons. That makes it proper. Now look at this man trying to carry this heavy rock. It is a taboo, it's a sin. It is wickedness to give this man this heavy rock to carry. It is not proper at all. Okay? So you see that the rock is heavier than the man. The man cannot carry the rock. You see how the man is stressing himself in order to be able to carry this rock. So improper fractions have the numerator bigger than the denominator. So improper is not good, something that is not okay. So you see that in improper fractions, the number below will now be smaller than the one on top, making it difficult for the smaller numbers to carry the bigger numbers. That is why it is improper fraction. Okay? It is improper to allow this man to carry this heavy load, just like you can see there. It's improper, honestly. He would have been given a lighter load to carry. Gosh, this is punishment, honestly. It's punishment. That's why it's improper. It's not good. The man is not able to lift this heavy load. So you can see some examples of improper fractions. You can have 5 over 4. 5 is greater than 4. 4 persons cannot easily carry 5 persons, just like 2 persons carrying 3 persons, or 3 persons carrying 8 persons. There are numerous examples of improper fractions. Okay. Then finally, we conclude with the mixed fraction or number. So this mixed fraction is got from the process of trying to make an improper fraction to be proper. You get a fraction called mixed fraction or mixed number. A mixed number contains a whole number and a proper fraction. Just like you can see from the picture there, the whole number is 2, the numerator is 1, while the denominator is 3. If you take a very good look at these mixed fraction, you will see that it is got from the improper fraction 7 over 3. Because when you divide 7 by 3, you get 2, remainder 1. So when you try to make an improper fraction to be proper, you get what we call a mixed number. Thank you and remain blessed. Remember to subscribe. Esomnofu, CHIDIEBUBE.